taking a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a transdisciplinary, and also an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder, where I approach mental disorder from 10 key areas: philosophical analysis, psychological analysis, a physics analysis, a musical theoretical analysis, a linguistic analysis, a parapsychological, psychopathological, a pathophysiological, a neurological approach, and a geophysics approach. And it was basically a 1 hour discussion covering mental disorder from all these different disciplines. And today I would probably like to, maybe an extension of it, or possibly see whatever direction this goes in.
Sure, yeah, I'm down for that as well. I have worked with kids in the past that had autism, and I never saw a case, like I never saw two kids that ever had the same kind of symptoms or like anything resembling the other child that also had a diagnosis with autism. There's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many kids these days? Because it seems like statistically the numbers have been